Hello guys, so we are going to be having one of the biggest balloon pops that I've ever had on this channel. So I have my boys with me and they're going to be popping all these balloons. Not all. I'm still working on some of the balloons, the purple ones, purple, gold and white. I'm working on them right now. Like you can see, I have chairs to set up for an event, so I'm not popping the purple, white and gold. So but for the pink balloons and all the pink family, we are going to be popping them. So guys, keep watching and let us pop these balloons.